Alright, let's try this again. I just started recording and immediately I got a phone call. So, here we go, the Motorola CD5014 Plus. Install that along with a TR600 by RecorderGear. Hopefully, everyone's been saying this will work with a wireless system. Because with the wireless system, it still has the LAN plug-in for it. So, yep, well, we'll see how this goes here. I'm going to show the full process. This is our current thing. We have a VTech thing that honestly was fine, but we run a shop here and they get submerged in water, get sprayed on, get stepped on. One of them got ran over. Some get forgotten in vehicles that we detail. Like, yeah. So, these are nice. These are bigger phones too. Interesting. So they're about a ½ inch bigger. That's cool. Alright, so there's that. So we got all the chargers. Nice little small chargers. So it's a... Okay, that's cool. Looks like the cable's relatively long, so that'll be nice. Looks like the phones have batteries in them. I'm assuming they're rechargeable. Yep. So these are the batteries for them. If you want to know what kind it is, it's an NIMH battery, 75 AAA HC 1.2 volt 750 milliamp. So there's that. One of those. I don't really need a phone cable, but it's always nice to have those. And here's the main base. Nice. Cool, looks like you can program things. Okay, so there. I'm gonna try to just burst through this really quick because I gotta get back to work. Okay, now for the box. 1, 2, 3. I hope these batteries are partially charged. Let's see here, looks like, yep, the whole thing just slides off the back. That's pretty handy. I do like that these are standard rechargeable things. The old phones used this crappy thing. I don't like 9 volt or whatever this is. It's some proprietary thing. So this will be nice. I can replace them if I need to. Toss that in there. Toss that in there. Looks like they do have a bit of a charge. No base link. Check the base. Okay. No, I'm not checking the directions. This should be pretty straightforward. Just take it out of the box, plug it in. That's how it should be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Looks like all of these use the same plug, so that's nice. This is the current system. We'll get this done here. Oh, that runs all the way the fuck over there? Okay. Oh, got way too much stuff in here. I don't know what's what. Let's see. internet. I don't know which one is which one here. The old system, it's gone, the new system in. Now what I'm going to do is actually take this out of the box. We're going to try to record a phone call. If I can open the damn box. Oh, it's like sealed with... No. I'm just dumb. Be smarter than the box. It does want to put batteries in here, but we're going to run on power, so go from phone. So line will go from here. Okay. See surge and get battery and surge. Here we go. There is already an SD card in there, so we'll just use that. Go from here to the phone base. It's a really loose cable. I don't like that. Why is it so damn small? That is the smallest fucking cable I've ever seen in my life. So I guess we will use this. The cable that they gave is like a micro cable. Maybe it goes in the sides there, I have no idea. I just want to see if I can plug this in and get this working without looking at the directions. That's the purpose of this video. Power cut, set time, yep. Just please wait. It is currently 11:43. Okay. It is March 5th. 2021. Save. Syncing data. The battery's low, so this might not work. We'll see what happens. And this one says please set clock, so go ahead. Auto. Back. System. Time. It's a 24-hour clock, so it is 11:43. We're at 11:44 now. Date comes out as 2010, so this thing's fucking old. 21. Next month, yeah, 3rd, 5th. Set. Format the SD card. Back. Should be good to go. So let's go ahead and try to give this a call. Hopefully the battery lasts long enough. Hello, this is Michael. Hello. This is Michael. Hello, this is Michael. Okay, sounds good. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. All right. Duration of 14 seconds, so hopefully that recorded. See if that recorded. So I'm going to go ahead, pop that SD card out. Okay. I guess I'm gonna go grab a different SD card so I can pop it in there. Okay. This SD card plug-in, please wait, looks good. So let's head over to the computer. Let's see what we can see here. Just because I want to quickly just check it, I'm just going to use this little laptop here. Because this has an SD card slot on it. I don't want to have to grab my... I do have a reader there. We'll see how long this takes to power up here. Shouldn't be too bad. So I'm going to aim this down here. If I can. Okay. See this full process here. Alright, toss that SD card in. This way we'll find out what format it's in, all that good stuff. It's in a .wav file, so let's listen here. Hopefully you can play it. This computer's pretty slow, so give it a minute. It's probably never had to open up Windows Groove Music or whatever this is. Try it again here. Yep, Groove Music.
Hello, this is Michael. Hello, hello. This is Michael. Hello, hello. This is Michael. Okay, sounds good.
That's good.
That's 1, 2. That's 1, 2. All right.
That is fantastic. Cool. And there you have it. So the whole process took, well, I'm not getting a readout on my screen, but that was incredibly painless. So hats off to them. Fantastic. It does work. Good to know. That's a cordless handset, so that's fucking fantastic.